Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a specific paper and section: sports, opinion, local news, because relevance wins space. Once chosen, scan that section's recent pieces to match tone and timing. That's why you craft a 1-2 sentence hook that shows clear newsworthiness or local impact. Then collect the editor's name, email, and submission rules. Prepare a concise one-page pitch with headline, hook, and 2 supporting facts. Make sure to attach a short bio and contact details so the editor can respond quickly. Once your pitch is accepted, or if you submit a full piece, write to the paper's length and style guidelines, 80 to 750 words depending on section, because editors value fit. Start with a tight lead, then a nut graph that answers why readers should care. Follow with evidence, a local quote, and clear data points. Make sure your file is formatted simply, plain DOC or PDF, include captions for any images, and add a short bio. Then personalize the cover email, referencing a recent piece by that editor. You submit with a clear subject line, attach the article and images, and paste a short pitch into the email body so an editor can scan immediately. After sending, wait 48 to 72 hours before a polite follow-up. Make sure to mention whether you can turn around edits in 24 hours. If accepted, negotiate deadlines and corrections professionally. If you don't hear back or are rejected, revise the angle and pitch to 1 or 2 alternate outlets. Troubleshooting tip: if silence persists, call the desk once to confirm receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.